Alright, these were too long and too thick. These were okay, but the rod, threaded rod, was too long. Bolt, whatever you want to call it. So I made this at work. I tapped it. The tapped out dull, so I couldn't go any further because the tapped out dull, we only had one. I made that one with some kind of cheap threaded rod. There you go. The ones that I made at work. I brought some washers just in case. I thought of this the last half hour to my shift ended, thinking what happened if these might not work. They're too short. They're too long, I mean. And I won't be able to adjust the clamps. So I got a full thread rod. There's no way to put the threaded rod in there. This is in the way. I got that one in there. That's the threaded rod I made. The other one might not work because it doesn't have that much thread. I have about 2 inches to play with there, maybe 1.75 inches. This other one not enough thread to play with. I'm gonna add some washers. Looks like I got about 1.25 inches to play with. I should do it the old way, just tie string around it, real good string around it over and over and over. Well, I got all my big wrenches at work. Should have brought them with me, wasn't thinking. I'm gonna see if I can use my channel locks. There you go. There you go. It's still not loose, so I'm going to have to use like a bottle jack, I mean. Hold it up while I remove bolts on both ends of the lower control arm. And I don't know about all this other stuff, but this should drop down, swing down. I'm thinking maybe use a floor jack, but it should swing down a little bit, and see what happens after that, so I can get my hands on there and wrenches. Well, there you go. This one's done for today. My son, he's at wrestling practice, summer wrestling practice, and I told him after this we'll take him to Cedar Point. So peace.